Well, senior citizens, me know kasi Krobia Sante Kotoko players me anyway. Solomon Sarfo Taylor and Rashid Nortey currently omoye Kotoko players, but unfortunately they are not playing for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. In sembi ne mua sansem na wasi set records ni straight na yetenetene no. Let me state on record say players ni me no still na they are Kotoko players, but yewra season no in 2023-2024 season na players no enye fully fit and na doubt kakra ewo ho enti yakoba say they are not part of the players I terminate your contract. Let's state that one on record. Na assembly munchirimu ankasa say if free Wednesday no eba say these two players the Kotoko called the Status Committee of Ghana Football Association, and I can confirm say enye no kre na nkomodi akoso no enu ntina matenase a mede emunchirimu kakra bro on this channel. Unim say Kotoko ebebo Legon Cities ene nke wose a preview game no, but etore bia nsem no amanfo eka echiacha ne pa nti aya na it is quite prudent for us to come and clear the issues. It is never true say Kumasi Asante Kotoko players me no at the Kotoko Status Committee na asem no the woman Rashid Nortey no crowd and Comittee say sir by first round ebe wiye na bibia follow through or one of the great midfielders Rashid Nortey during Zebu time or man of the match near the adina. He could find his way back into the team, and it is subjected to coach, and Solomon Sarfo Taylor issue and na nkomodi no enyanye clear, but ono kra no or chance because Kotoko another information I can say it could be say bukwala ni mfege ebubaako and say mienu ni nyina betimako, so mienu ni nyina atimi kwa opportunity comes for Solomon Sarfo Taylor say or no ebitimi abeye the potential replacement provided say no ho edian na reporter na mu say omode Kotoko Status Committee no metima shooting it down enya no kre na no kre umni omone PFAG Professional Football Association of Ghana Tony Bafo ena edasa ekuna no ensem no akoto manim nti omone take matter up and I understand say they are now going to engage Kotoko now omo a resolve the issue no. So possibility of these two players returning in the second round be possible, then they will return, but omo timi return there whatever due them Kotoko is going to give it to them so that the contract will be terminated and I say they will be transferred. Asemono emunchemu ano no nti asat now no status committee and issue be no here dragging gidi. All concentration now is Legon Cities. Kotoko we need mediama. I hope it's a back-to-back wins. The Sugar Copy Park. Some match the home reports bro. Bacho unsubscribe ya wadaroma. Now hit the rest subscribe button. And as a subscribe button and as well. Now wabo adomano so. Now you grow family no together. Otu for nyankopon enka. Information will be as you. You may koso.